You don't need a touring bike or a week off. You can hit the trail tonight with less than 5 kg of added gear using the S24O method. The sub-24-hour overnighter, or S24O, breaks the reliance on vacation days. The cycle is rigid but effective. Leave work at 5 p.m., ride 40 to 80 kilometers, sleep outside, and ride home in time for your morning stand-up. The barrier to entry isn't the bike, it's the weight. Your total sleep system must stay under 2.5 kilograms. For shelter, you have two distinct paths. The comfort of a dedicated tent like the Big Agnes Tiger Wall or the raw minimalism of a bivy sack. For insulation, 2026 standards favor high loft down. The Sea to Summit Spark series offers a 5-degree rating at just 600 grams. Pair this with a high R-value pad like the Neo Air NXT to eliminate ground heat loss. A common mistake is buying a full-frame bag immediately. For an overnight trip, you only need two distinct storage zones. A 10-liter saddle bag for your sleep system and a handlebar roll for layers. This keeps the bike agile. To hit that 5 kg total weight target, we apply the no-cook rule. Leaving the stove, fuel, and pot at home saves nearly a kilogram. For a single night, a sandwich and energy bars provide sufficient caloric density without the fuss. When planning your route, ignore total mileage and focus on the bailout radius. You need a loop that keeps you within reliable cell service and manageable distance from home if a mechanical failure occurs at night. Psychologically, shift your metric from distance to experience. If you ride 100 kilometers but arrive exhausted in the dark, you failed the S24O model. The goal is the campsite, not the KOM. Start this weekend. Pack your existing gear, regardless of weight, and sleep in your backyard to test your temperature tolerance. Once you dial in the warmth, upgrade the heavy items one by one. Adventure isn't about distance, it's about leaving your doorstep.